Most sitting asanas, the starting position is sitting on your bottom with your hands beside you, back straight, feet straight forward, spine erect, hamstring stretched, knees flat, toes pulled up towards you. So this is the starting position, and now Vaishali is going to demonstrate Ardha Matsyendrasana with the left leg bent at the hips, slow motion, cross over the left leg onto the right side, pass the thigh as shown, fold the right leg under the buttock, slowly move your left foot so that it is flat on the floor, right beside the thigh. See if you can straighten the knee as vertical as possible. Now, Ardha Matsyendrasana is about giving a spinal twist. So next, Vaishali is going to twist her spine. She will turn towards the left, bring the right arm beside the left knee on the outside, stretch and hold the ankle or if possible the toes. Keep the arms outstretched. Leave the left foot flat on the floor. Pull the left shoulder back, and looking from the front it will look like she's only half. Turn the neck to the left. Bring the left hand right to the back side and stretch as much as you can, keeping the right foot close to the buttock. Hold as long as you can, and while you are in this asana or during the asana, breathing should be relaxed. No holding of breath at any time. When she is finished, she will slowly return to normal starting position in the reverse order.